A blizzard is hammering Colorado's mountains, creating treacherous roads for travelers just days before Thanksgiving. Thank you for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5 this Tuesday. I'm Jessica Porter.
And I'm Micah Smith. It is not just the peaks. Snow is expected to move into the metro area overnight, right in the middle of the holiday travel rush.
Just check out this time-lapse video from Aspen Snowmass. In just 24 hours, the area recorded more than a foot of snow, and the storm is far from finished.
That is pretty incredible. Well, let's bring in Denver 7 Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson, tracking conditions and the storm's path. Mike?
It's going to be another very snowy night in the mountains and foothills, and it will eventually be here in the metro, but not right now. We have a few light rain showers over the metro area at the moment. This is what it looks like up in the high country. You can see the traffic toward the Eisenhower and Johnson tunnels up at the Loveland ski area. So a lot of moisture coming into the mountains, some scattered rain showers on the plains right now, and boy, do we have a lot of advisories and warnings. The mountains all under winter storm warnings, and on the plains, winter weather advisories, and importantly, Denver now included in those advisories. That was not the case earlier this afternoon, but it looks like tonight we may see some bands of heavier snow move across the metro area. So let's take that forward here over the next few hours, mainly in the mountains, but during the evening we'll get that rain and snow developing, and how quickly it turns over to all snow will be important. Could be some pretty heavy bands early in the morning on Wednesday, and then it'll relatively quickly diminish by early afternoon, and with that we'll see clearing skies by this time tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow morning could be very slushy in the metro area, and certainly travel in the high country is going to be treacherous, but worth it as far as the skiing and snowboarding as we head toward the holiday. I'll have the full nationwide holiday forecast coming up in about 15 minutes.
Well, speaking of road travel, we want to go live now to traffic along I-70 just west of Eisenhower Tunnel, where westbound traffic is at a crawl between Loveland Pass and Silverthorne. You can see those brake lights just creeping along.
You're not getting anywhere anytime soon there. As snow picks up in the mountains along I-70, signs are reminding commercial vehicle drivers that they must carry chains in expanded areas in Colorado.
Denver 7's Veronica Acosta is in Georgetown for us tonight, where, Veronica, you saw some of those CMV drivers listening to those warnings.
I did, and you know that Georgetown exit, that is the first one where we saw those truck drivers start pulling off the highway and putting on their chains, making sure that their tires were as safe as possible. And with those expanded chain laws, drivers will have to carry those chains way before they get anywhere near here. It's a well-known sight on I-70 through the mountains once winter rolls around. Truck drivers pulling over and doing what's required and recommended of them, chaining their tires. But as of August 2024, they now must also carry those chains in expanded portions of the state.
We have now made it so instead of just one highway west of I-25, it's now going to encompass all public highways that are west of I-25.
That expansion includes these portions of these highways. I-70 west of Morrison and conditions there, a concern Tuesday and Wednesday because of a snowstorm, one that's weighing heavy on one new truck driver.
This right there. Or even worse.
Lee's only been driving for 2 years, never before in snowy conditions. Despite that, he's making sure he's following the law, equipped with the chains he'll likely need to put on his tires soon.
Worried a lot. I don't want to be sliding out or stuck on a road, you know. Not with this.
The expansion in the law requires commercial vehicle drivers carry their chains starting September 1st through May 31st as well.
The main reason that we have it so that they all have to carry the chains is for safety, because it can cause roads to close from vehicles being stuck that aren't properly equipped to be driving on those roads.
A change in a law officials hope keeps highways like I-70 through the mountains safe and moving. And there was a previous version of this law. It only required those truck drivers to carry those chains on I-70 between Duts Arrow and Morrison. Near Georgetown, I'm Veronica Acosta, Denver 7.